To access the lock motor, the socket bridge must first be removed. Follow the instructions shown in the dedicated instruction video to ensure correct removal and mounting. Begin by detaching the actuator from the socket. Loosen the bolt using a PH2 screwdriver and remove the actuator. Next, unplug the connector from the defective actuator. Press the bottom latch to release the connector, then pull it free. Now assemble the replacement actuator onto the socket. Tighten the bolt to 1 Nm using a PH2 screwdriver. After installation, check the function of the lock motor by manually moving the lever to confirm smooth operation. Finally, reattach the connector to the replacement actuator. Make sure the bottom latch clicks into place and is securely locked. Once the required work is completed, proceed with installing the socket bridge. Follow the instructions in the corresponding instruction video to ensure proper installation.